Hello, boys and girls. Today, again, we're going to be start by going over the four fours from yesterday. You should have solved the four fours for 4, 5, 6, and 7. And I'm going to begin by sharing the solution or strategy that I came up with for four fours. So for 4, the first one I came up with was 4 times, and then I'm going to put in parentheses 4 minus 4, and then plus 4. So order of operations, you always do what's in 4 minus 4 is 0. So 4 times 0 is 0 plus 4 equals 4. For 5, I'm going to start with parentheses, and I did 4 times 4 plus 4, and then end parentheses, and divided by 4. So 4 times 4 is 16, plus 4 is 20. 20 divided by 4 is 5. And for 6, I came up with this one. I actually got really creative and used I did 4 times 0.4, or 4 tenths, and then plus 4 and 4 tenths. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, still 4 fours, but now I included some decimals. So 4 times 4 tenths, well, 4 times 4 is 16. That would be 1 and 6 tenths. That would be 1 and 6 tenths. And then plus 4 and 4 tenths. That would make, well, 6 plus 4 is 10. So that would be 4, 5, 6. That would be 6 as a whole number. Okay, so you can use decimals too. And then for 7, I did 44 divided by 4, and then minus 4. So 44 divided by 4 is 11, minus 4 is 7. So there's a solution I came up with using 4 fours for 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, your assignment, or one of your tasks for today, is to use 4 fours and solve for 8, 9, 10, and 11, and do it in Seesaw and post your solutions up into Seesaw. And remember, you can find 1, 2, 3 solutions for each, and if you really struggle on finding a solution, just skip it, and it's okay if you don't find one for that. But I want you to try to do your best job possible to get at least one solution for each one. The next thing we're going to do is go right into some games. Today you're going to do a couple games that are really math-based thinking games. The first one is called Bulls and Cows, and how it works is that if you have a bull, that means you have the correct code in the correct position. If you have a cow, it's the correct code but the wrong position. So the easy thing would be to just start on using 3 codes, and I would do numbers, I wouldn't do letters. I would just do 3 codes 0 through 9. So you have 3 codes and you have to put in the numbers 0 through 9, and you can only use each number once. So if I have 0, 1, 2, I click go. I have 0 bulls but 1 cow. So that means one of these numbers is correct, it's just in the wrong position. So maybe now I'll try 3, 4, 5, and I'll just click go. Ooh, I have 2 bulls. That means 2 of these numbers are in the correct position. So if I know one of these is correct, and again, you have to think strategies here. If one of these is correct and 2, 3, 4, and 5 are in the right position, it has to. So maybe we'll do 3, 4, and 1. Well, 3, 4. So I left 3 and 4 and tried 1. So that might mean 3 and 4 are in the right position. So let's try 2. Maybe it's 0. Is that 0? And I got it. So now I solved it in only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tries. And now if you want to start a new game, maybe you do that. Maybe you want to go 4. So options, maybe you want to try 4 codes. So once you get the hang of this, I want you to take a screenshot showing how many tries it took you to solve to get the correct code using 4 codes, okay? And then upload that into Seesaw as one of your tasks for today. The next game you're going to play is called Broken Calculator. So start at level 1, and work your way up. But then what happens is you're missing all the other numbers on a calculator, but you have to solve for these numbers on the side. So if I want to solve for 6, I could do 2 plus 2 plus 2, or I could do 2 times 3 is 6, and now 6 is gone. Ooh, but now I might have to clear it, because then if I do 3 plus 2 plus 2 is 7. Okay, and then you can keep building up. So if I'm at 7, I might have to clear it again so I can get 8. And you don't have to go in order either. Okay, you can make 10 right away or whatever. And once you get all of these gone, and it's keeping track of your time. So once you get this finished, another task for today is that take a screenshot showing you completed a level using the broken calculator. So it's trying to figure out how you can make target numbers with only certain numbers, because all the other numbers on the calculator are broken. Okay, hope this makes sense. Hope you had fun, and I can't wait to see you back here tomorrow.